In this video, I'm going to show you how does Bento Highlights application work. Bento Highlights is an application for sharing your personal milestones or milestones you accomplished with your business. You can either share it as an image to social media or you can embed the code provided into your website. Once you open the application, you will see this user interface. And here you can enter your milestones accomplished. So for example, I'm gonna enter 7 new products launched, 30 successful projects completed, 45,000 in affiliate sales. These are just made up numbers, these are not my statistics. I'm gonna put here 8 years in business, and then I can add a new box. I can make it 3 box wide, and then I can enter 1000 positive client testimonials. I can add even more boxes if I need to, or I can just remove the ones that I don't need. After that, I can either click on grid background or I can just click on the back arrow here. So I have grid options selected. And then on here, I can select one of the predefined gradients, or I can select custom color or even a custom gradient if I feel a little bit creative today. So let's create something like this. I can then change its orientation. Yeah, this looks good. Then I can go and change the font size here if I want the text to be a little bit bigger, and this one as well. Then I can change, for example, box color, but let's keep it at white, maybe even less transparent. Then I can go ahead and edit the color of each of these milestones numbers. So for example, I can use custom gradient on this one, maybe, I don't know, black and gray. Yeah, that seems fine. Then I can choose a custom color for this one. Let's make it blue as well, maybe not really visible in this color. Yeah, let's keep it like this. Let's take this one, then let's change this one to, I don't know, pink. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I can navigate through boxes clicking on these arrows. And if I want to change the color of the description text, I can just click here, and I can either set it to be black or white. And yes, that's pretty much it regarding the creating of your custom grid. Then you can go ahead and download this grid image and share it to your social media. Or if you want to embed to your website, you can click on get grid code and then just copy and paste the given code, and it will be exactly like this. Then you can even edit it after a bit, maybe add some rounded borders here or whatever you want. And yes, that's pretty much it. If you would like to have a pro version of Bento Highlights application, it is a lifetime access for $14, and you get all of these features, and there will be more features to come in future. This is just the first version of this application. So if you feel generous today, feel free to purchase a pro tier of Bento Highlights application. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching, and bye.